welcome back again to Princess Gate Channel. So, andito na po. Nag-treat po si Madam Gates. So, meron tayong spaghetti, french fries, burger, and chicken fillet. Ninang, thank you so much.
Ah, really?
Yeah, thank you for the treat. Ako my birthday, tapos siya nag-treat daw. So, napaka-generous talaga ng ninang ko. So, this is our food for this evening. So, a simple celebration on my birthday.
And
So,
this is your final mark.
thank you. Yeah.
This is pink one.
Yes, thank you. So, secret ma. Secret na lang. Unbox ko yan sa bahay. Yes. Okay, let's eat, Ninang. Thank you. We're going to eat na. See you later. Bye.